In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create connected views of your task tracker in Coda. This is a quick way to manage the same tasks from different pages, like a master tracker on one page and a simple to-do list on another, without duplicating work. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io/signup. Sign into your Coda account. Once you're in, open the Coda doc you want to work with. This should be the document that already contains your task tracker and a page for your to-do list. Go to the page where your task tracker table lives. Hover over the table to reveal the toolbar, then click the three dots menu in the upper right of the table. Depending on your layout, it might appear as an options menu. From that menu, choose Copy Table. This puts a copy of the table onto your clipboard and prepares it for pasting as a new view. Next, navigate to the page where you want your to-do list. Click into the spot where the table should go and paste using your usual shortcut. Right after you paste, Coda shows paste options. Choose Create Connected Views. This is the important part. Instead of making a separate, disconnected table, you're creating another view of the same original task tracker. If you don't see the paste prompt immediately, give it a moment, or press undo and paste again to bring the options back. Also, make sure you're doing this within the same Coda doc, since connected views reference a single source table inside that document. With connected views, both tables now use the same underlying data. That means any update you make in one place, like changing a status, editing a due date, or checking a task is done, automatically appears in the other. You get the convenience of different layouts or filters on each page while keeping a single source of truth for your tasks. If you want the to-do list page to feel lighter, you can adjust the view settings later, such as hiding extra columns or applying a filter for tasks assigned to you or due this week. Those adjustments affect only the view on that page, not the data itself, so your main task tracker stays intact. And that's it. You went to Coda, signed in, opened your doc, located the task tracker, clicked the three-dot menu to copy the table, pasted it onto your to-do list page, and selected Create Connected Views. Now your task tracker and to-do list stay perfectly in sync without any manual copying and pasting. It's a small setup that pays off every day as your tasks stay up to date wherever you want to see them.